171 odds. That vehicle will be in pursuit, be northbound 87th Avenue from Northern, a silver Toyota Camry.
They're rolling copy, we're en route.
You know, using this, we're able to catch those bad guys. These guys that are committing crimes, put them away, and that way, nobody else needs to be the victim of a crime.
It really started with the election of a new mayor who had a vision for a public safety aviation unit that would be able to go out and support both police and fire department with patrol operations and rescues, trying to save lives.
The Bell 505 was the right aircraft for us, but that isn't a decision that came out of like, oh, let's try a Bell 505. We knew what it was going to be about, supporting patrol and to support our fire department. And so we tried to look at an aircraft that fit that bill, that would allow us to kind of build a unit and be successful.
Once it was decided that Bell would be the provider for our helicopter, personally, the contact that I had and my unit had with Bell about what we needed to plan out, what they could do for us through the process was phenomenal. Everything from maintenance on the helicopter to the support.
Bell has definitely helped out in our process right from the very beginning of figuring out the Bell 505 helicopter, what mission equipment that we needed is going to have a cargo hook system, or even, it may sound simple, but just adding the avionics or the baggage claim doors on both sides of the helicopter so that we can move a basket for fire rescue from either side of the helicopter. So just getting those things going right from the very beginning of the build out process, and then realizing we're not just a customer, but it's a partnership.
The only way we could have launched in 15 months, you only start an aviation unit in the city of Peoria one time, and to be able to start it as quickly as we did, it took close partnerships. And one of the best things we did was select Bell, not just for the helicopter itself, but also for the partnership, the training, the insight, with regards to missions and what can we do with this aircraft.
If something breaks or I have a question, I don't have to go, okay, hey, what company do I call for this? I know that I'm calling Greg Maitland from Bell. Those relationships, those are huge in the aviation. You're not just a customer, but you're gonna build those relationships to get the things that you need and get to advice when you need advice, support when you need support, and training when you need training.
We do have a newer aircraft, so it's been pretty smooth. We did have some maintenance items that we had to take care of, which I was able to contact different people within Bell that helped me out to, fix whatever problems we had, just constant communication.
You're bound to run into a few issues here and there. Depending on the severity of it, I can be with the customer later that day, next day, or we can troubleshoot it over the phone.
We have that support right then, right there. I've been highly impressed with Bell and the service that they've provided, the citizens of Peoria and the aviation unit. They stood by what they said they were going to do. And a lot of times in this business, that's not always the case, but everything from procurement to delivery was on time and exactly what we asked.